Hi friends! Today we're going to play a alphabet matching game for small group, okay? So let's get started. Can you find the letter A? This is A here. Which one is the match? This is L, F, S, A, and A says A. Can you find the letter B? This is F, T, R, B, and B says B, B. Can you find the letter C? This is R, N, T, C, and C says K, K. Can you find the letter D? This is an O, T, P, D. B says D, D. Can you find the letter E? Here's the E right here. Can you find the letter F? Oh, F is right here. F says F. Can you find the letter G? Is this G? No, that's C, Z, E. Here's the G. G says G, G. Can you find the letter H? This is a Q, a K, C. This is the H. H says H, H. Can you find the letter I? This I looks like a lowercase l, but this is another way to write I. So here's here's the uppercase I. I says I, I. Can you find the letter J? This is R, S. Here's the J. J says J, J. Can you find the letter K? Here's R, A, G. Here's the K. K says K, K. Can you find the letter L? This is a U, an A G, and this is the letter L. And L says, oh. Can you find the letter M? Here's the G, T, F, M. M says, mmm. Can you find the letter N? N, here it is, and it says, mmm. Can you find the letter O? Here's an I, an A, K, and an O. And O says, ah, ah. Can you find the letter P? Here's a K, an F, an A. Here's the P. P says P, P. Can you find the letter Q? Here's the V, K, R, and Q. Q says Q, Q, Q. Can you find the letter R? Here's the R right here, and R says R. Can you find the letter S? Point to the S, friends. Here's the S. S says S. Can you find the letter T? Here's the T. Point to T. T says T, T, T. Can you find the letter U? Touch the U. U says Is this U? No, this one is U. Can you say Can you find the letter V? Here's the V right here. V says V. Can you find the letter W? Here's a J, a B, a Z. There's the W. W says W, W, W. Can you find the letter X? Here's the X right here, and X says, you're right. Can you find the letter Y? Here's the Y. Y says yeah, yeah. Can you find the letter Z? Is this the Z? Z? Here's the Z, and Z says Z. All right, friends, good job. Can you go on a letter hunt and find the letter in your name somewhere around your house? All right, I'll see you next time, friends. Bye.